Bismillah, my name is Syed Al-Murtaza, considered among the greatest scholars of 12 Shia. My famous title is Alim al-Huda. I worked in multiple disciplines, including Islamic theology, jurisprudence, principles of jurisprudence, tafsir, divine philosophy, astronomy, different branches of Arabic literature ranging from lexicon, syntax, semantics, composition and poetry. I focused my attention on jurisprudence, Islamic theology, and Arabic literature and strengthened their principles and their secondary issues. Sayyid Radi, the compiler of Nahj al-Balagha, was my elder brother. I was head of Shia students, pilgrim and the head Supreme Court of Baghdad. Like my teacher, Sheikh al-Mufid, I had rationalistic tendencies and was interested in theology. Also wrote a book concerning principles of jurisprudence, which is considered as the first comprehensive, independent Shia work in this field.